A roof light is a great addition to any building project. It brings in loads of natural light. But a question you may want to ask yourself is, do I need to control this light? A blind would be the perfect option for that. Here at Roofmaker, we can assist you even after your project is complete, although it would mean a bit of extra measuring, a bit of extra fitting, and at the end of the day, a bit of extra fuss. So that's why we actually recommend that you specify a blind before purchasing your roof light. That way we can factory install it for you, ensuring that when it arrives on site, it is ready to operate and ready to be fitted. When we fit the blinds in our factory, on certain products we can even recess it further into the frame, which just adds to the overall look, as well as ease of installation when it comes to finishing off the plasterwork. The blind we have over here, the frameless look has been achieved by the addition of the plasterwork right up to the edge of the blind. That just promotes a seamless look and uninterrupted views. Sky blinds are available in a multitude of colours, as well as fabric choices from full blackout to opaque. Control is easy as well. They're all on remote, offering mains power as well as battery and solar option. Speak to one of our sales agents today to get the best possible solution for your project.